Today's the day. ButtKicker Mini, finally going on my drum seat. Hopefully it kicks my butt. Let me show you what I got to get it hooked up. Alright, we're looking at the ButtKicker Mini itself. It comes pre-wired with some frayed wiring here. So we're going to have some banana clips and some 12 gauge wire to make that a little longer so it can make it over to our subwoofer amp that I have. It's the Fozzy Audio TP02 subwoofer amplifier. And then I've got some bolts, some screws and some lock washers, because this is going directly to the bottom of my seat, to the wood down here. It's not going to clamp on to the bar or any of the metal of the seat. It's going directly on the bottom. It's more of a budget build. You can buy them already set up for gaming chairs, or I think for your drum throne already set up with clamps, and they stick out like right here. But this one's going right on here. See how it works. Headphone splitter, and then I have a RCA connector for the back of the amp, so I'm going to want to play with headphones, and the other side is going to go to the amp, obviously to the ButtKicker. Let's give it a shot. So I've been playing the ButtKicker now for a couple days, and it's great. I don't have to have the amp turned up very high to get a response from it. The floor tom and the other tom-toms come through a bit, and obviously the kick drum coming through. I'm playing it also along to drumless tracks in Moises, and the bass guitars are really in there, so it's mixing at the same time. So with the bass guitar going, thumping on the chair, and my kick drum thumping, it all kind of just melts together. But you know, it's great to have that feeling of the low end under your butt, so it's worth it. The whole build pretty much cost me $175 from start to finish, so it's worth it. I may do an update in a couple weeks to see how I'm liking it at that point. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Later.